Hello there, welcome to 𝗃𝗂𝗃. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix compatibility issues while applying themes in MIUI. It's one of the very common MIUI themes issues. For instance, I came across this cool Naruto theme, but when I click to download it, a compatibility error occurs saying that the theme is incompatible with the version of MIUI installed on my device. It also further says some parts of MIUI might not work properly if I apply this theme. It simply means that some parts of this theme such as lock screen or maybe QS panel might not change. So let's see how to fix it. First of all, download the theme. Yes, even if it's incompatible with your MIUI version. Now that the theme is downloaded, I'll show you what incompatibility means in this scenario. The wallpaper and lock screen has changed, but the quick settings panel is unaffected. Even if I switch to old style quick setting panel, it doesn't work. Let's check at some other places. I don't see any differences here as well. So as you can see, only icons and wallpapers have changed and the rest is still the same. Let's fix this issue. We'll use MIUI theme editor app to grab the theme file so we can do some coding and make it compatible. Open the MIUI theme editor app, choose your MIUI version, then tap pick a theme. Now choose the incompatible theme you want to fix. In my case it's Naruto Sasuke. After the theme is selected, tap start. You don't have to do anything here, just tap next and tap finish. This will extract the theme file so we can do some modifications. Once the theme has been saved, it will ask you if you want to install the theme. Don't install it yet. Now we'll need a file manager that could edit XML files. I posted a video before about 5 best file managers with advanced option, so be sure to check that out. One of those file managers is Solid Explorer that we're gonna be using today. Open Solid Explorer. Go to MIUI folder, then select theme folder and you'll see your extracted theme here. 𝗵𝗁𝗄 is a MIUI theme file. We can't work with it as long as it remains an 𝗵𝗁𝗄. So we'll turn it into a zip. Just select file and tap rename, then remove the .mpz and type .zip instead. The next thing we'll do is we'll decompress the zip file. Once the zip is extracted, you'll see a folder by the theme's name, whatever the name of your theme is, Naruto Sasuke for me. Then open this new folder. One file goes by the name description.xml. Open it and you'll see something like this. One string you'll notice here that reads UI version seed data followed by number. This number is what makes a theme compatible or incompatible with the specific MIUI version. In this case it's 9, which means it's more suitable for MIUI 9. My phone runs MIUI 12, so I will change it with a 12. Now this theme's gonna work on a MIUI 12 phone errorlessly. Then tap save. Now get back. Open the themes folder once again. Select all files and subfolders inside of this folder. Tap 3 dots icon and tap archive. It will compress them into a zip pack again. Now we'll give it a name, something different than it previously was, so I can differentiate between old one and new one. The zip has been created. Now rename it back to 𝗵𝗁𝗄. Our editing is now completed. Now back to MIUI theme editor app. Tap browse and select the edited theme file that you've turned into a zip and back to 𝗵𝗁𝗄. Select it, then tap start, next and finish. Wait for the magic to happen and then tap install. Now go to theme store, go to profile, tap themes and you'll see multiple themes that look the same. As in my case, I can see 3 Naruto themes. Now which one to choose? Select the one that starts with apply me. So apply the new theme and theme should apply just fine. No compatibility issues. Let me show you if it's working or not. This is our settings, which didn't change previously. Wow, it's 100% working. Now let's check the QS panel. There you go, boy. See, this is how you can fix the compatibility issue with MIUI themes. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.